Cool. All right. So anyway, here we go. We're going to dive straight in, and this is the first section is involving Eeyore. So prepare yourself. This is not something that we've normally done within Elevated Planet, but just allow everything to fall into place, and you will see what this is all about.
Are you gonna cry when they come over here? Okay.
So think of this video clip as a metaphor for the way we've been conditioned and programmed for life on Earth. Think of the child as representing humanity. Think of Eeyore as the Cabal, perpetrating the fear narrative. And for the longest time, we bought into the illusion, but no more will Eeyore have his day. It is all in the process of coming to an end. But as it does, Eeyore gets more and more desperate to maintain the illusion of separation and fear, so becomes more active with his acts of darkness. However, humanity is seeing through the illusion more and more, and once the myths of separation and fear have been dispelled, Eeyore's control agenda is ended as we realize our true magnificence, living once more in unity consciousness and love. Now we can enjoy our metaphorical breakfast in peace, knowing that there is no longer an animated donkey character with our name on it about to tap us on the shoulder. This show awakens us to Eeyore's dark deeds so that we can exercise our divine neutrality, therefore no longer giving our energy to the darkness. Because as we know, Eeyore and friends feed on fear. Maybe we can even bring Eeyore over to the light too. We are, after all aspects of divine consciousness playing out our roles for this lifetime. Our weapons of choice are love, joy, unity, kindness, and compassion. And that is a formidable and unbeatable arsenal right there.